Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with McAfee Identity Theft Protection for alerts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the McAfee Identity Theft Protection website. Look for the option to sign up or register. Click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and confirm it. Create a strong password for your account. Re-enter your password to confirm. Click on the Continue button. You may need to provide personal information like your name and address. Fill in the required fields accurately. Read through the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive an email for verification. Open your email and find the verification message. Click on the verification link in the email. Return to the McAfee website after verifying your email. Log in using your newly created credentials. Navigate to the Alerts section of your dashboard. Choose the types of alerts you want to receive. Customize your alert preferences as needed. Save your settings to confirm the changes. Your account is now set up for alerts. You will receive notifications based on your preferences. Regularly check your alerts for updates regarding your identity protection. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with monitoring your identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.